Oh, Dad made a new toy. Ooh. Oh. He's like, where does it keep going? Why? Good boy, Bishop. Good boy. There you go. I think that's Scott. It makes sense to me that that's Scott. But one of the boys are a little bit bigger than the other. I'm not completely sure. They just look so much like twins now. They're so much alike. Yeah, I think that's Scott. What you got? The blind kittens can play. Blind kittens can play a lot. Babies can get mad that we're not playing with them. Good boy.